Hello world! Andito na naman tayo para sa isang unboxing. So, we're going to unbox something that arrived today.
Hey guys, again, welcome back to Jade's channel. By the way, this is Jade, one of the troubled body of our beloved Jade. Anyway, this video is not all about me, even though I want it to be me, and it's not all about the weather, or the trees, or the snow. This is all about unboxing. What is happening with Jade and her colleague, Len? So let's find out. Keep on watching.
Hello world! Andito na naman tayo para sa isang unboxing. So, we're going to unbox something that arrived today. Are you excited already? So, we're going to need a scissors. So, yeah, I'm going to start. Okay. Grabe. It's really heartfelt or very overwhelming to open a box. I'm telling you. You should do it sometimes. Here it comes. Okay. So we have a package from Samsung. Samsung. My mom used to tell me it's Samsung. So me, Samsung. And we have an adapter. So maybe you have an idea already what's inside the box. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to start opening it. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So we have here, OMG, a Samsung laptop! A laptop. It's, if I'm not mistaken, it is a 15.6, a blue laptop. Blue. So it's 15.6 inches laptop. So yeah, so here it goes. So yeah, so we have everything here. It's so gorgeous. It's really nice. It's really nice. Oh my gosh. It's Core i7 and Intel Iris Plus graphics. So here we go. The latest Samsung Galaxy Flex from Samsung.
I'm done with my laptop. Can I get it now?
Kanya po pala yun. Unboxing.
Hanggang box lang po tayo. So there guys, you just witnessed another unboxing. Actually, I just got monetized a few days ago. Yeah. Thank you for all your support. And because of that, one of my special friends gave me a gift. You know who you are, thank you so much. Gave me a gift to help me with my YouTube journey. That's why gave me this convertible laptop from Samsung. And you just witnessed how it was unboxed, but let's get deep into it. So what's inside the box is, of course, the laptop itself. This is 15.6 inches, weighing 3.4 pounds, and it is a 2-in-1 PC or convertible design laptop. Then inside it is the manual or the quick start guide. It also comes with the ejector pin for the micro SD slot. And this is the fast charging wall charger. It also comes with extra pen tips because this Galaxy Book has a built-in pen right into the device. And the last but not the least, it also comes with the USB-A to USB-C adapter. This 2-in-1 powerful PC features the first ever in laptop, a QLED display which you can just see on Samsung TVs. It comes with a diamond cut edge with a super slim design. On the left side, you'll see headset jack, USB-C port, and the slot for microSD. This Core i7 10th Gen with 12GB RAM. And one thing I like most in this laptop is the touchpad can be used as a wireless charger. And another thing, you can flip it to switch it into a tablet mode. The sound are by AKG by Harman Kardon, which they say it is 178% maximum volume. And also guys, for the security, it has a fingerprint sensor aside from your PIN. On the right side, you will see two USB-C ports and the power button and my favorite, the S Pen. This is a Bluetooth enabled S Pen which you can use for air gestures and also if you want to take notes or sketching and drawing. So, yun na nga po ang laman ng box. Okay guys, I will have the thorough review of this laptop when I already use it for some time, you know. But for now, I like it for its sleek design and of course the pen. I love pens. I love the pen on the gadgets. So, the last time on my previous vlog, Jewel, my travel buddy, asked about if I'm going to trade in my previous laptop, which is the HP, the only leather laptop in the world, to a new one because, you know, I love to upgrade every time something is coming up. So instead of spending the whole amount, I try to trade it in so that I would just pay, you know, like an ample amount for a new device. But so, sorry guys, better luck next time. I will not trade in my HP. I will keep both of them. So that it will also help my members. Shout out to all my members. Shout out. Thank you for trusting this channel. Thank you everybody. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope that you find something nice in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you will be updated on my every video or upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching guys, thank you for staying, and I hope everything and everybody is safe. God bless, till next time.
Search Jade the Travel Nurse on YouTube.